Hello there. I am so excited to share with you this incredible opportunity. Now, I sent an email a couple of days ago talking about this 4-week Pronunciation Pro challenge that we're doing with artificial intelligence, AI. And, in email form, it's really hard to explain how exciting this is. So I wanted to show you inside this new app that we are partnering with. It's called Flow. And we're doing a really fun challenge inside of this app for our Pronunciation Pro students. So I'm extremely excited to share this with you. And I want to show you around and show you the power of this practice app. So the idea of this 4-week challenge is that we're going to meet at the beginning of the challenge, and I'm going to show you around the app. We're going to make sure you all have been able to get registered and get logged in, and that everything's showing up for you correctly. And then we're going to kind of get together and just have an experience together. And we're going to keep each other accountable, because sometimes it's really hard to follow through with our daily practice. And so I'm wanting us to do this together so that we have that accountability. And what's so exciting about this is we are working with an app that does voice recognition, that will score your pronunciation and will give you some feedback on it. So I'm going to show you how that's done. But this 4-week challenge that we're doing, it's going to be a career challenge. So it's titled Career Challenge. It's going to be 4 weeks, and you're going to go in here, and with each lesson, you're going to have different practice, materials to go through. And it's very interactive with the AI. So we're going to go through these lessons. And then once you go through those core lessons, the next week will open up to you. So you can go as fast through this as you want, but we're going to kind of track it so that every day you're in the app just a little bit, and you're doing your daily practice, and you're going to see such an incredible improvement over the 4 weeks. Because as we know, the more you practice, the better you're going to get. Okay, so let me show you what's involved with this. So I'm going to go into one of these lessons. And for example, this one is going to be expressions. So team player means, so it's going to give you a vocabulary. Okay, team player means that you are good at working with other people. Okay, you're a team player. You're good with working with other people. This is a positive phrase. It can be used in casual or professional settings. Okay, so you're going to go next. You're going to listen to it. Okay, and then you can record team player. And then I'm going to stop the recording. I don't know if you can hear this. Oh, pronunciation score 100%. Okay, I'm going to go next. And then you can repeat it in sentences. So you can listen to them repeat it, and then I'm going to repeat it. So let me say it with like dropping the ending sounds and kind of doing some error patterns. I'm more a team player as I enjoy be in group and learn more from other people. Okay, let's see what happens with the scoring. Okay, it says 85%. Okay, more of. So it's saying I missed the ending V. Okay, so it's going to give me some feedback there. Now, this isn't going to be 100%, but it's so much better than just doing it on your own. Okay, so B, I missed the ending on those, so it's going to give me some feedback there. And learning, okay, learn. I didn't put the ending on there, so it's marking me off from that. So there were a few more errors that I did. I didn't do the R's, but it's really showing me quite a bit. Plus, you can listen to it, you can repeat it, things like that. So that was kind of one lesson, and it gives me a score, says good job. Now let's try the next lesson, or you can be done for the day. Okay, and we can return to the dashboard. All right, so it's going to mark off the lessons as you do them. So this is going to be the career challenge. We also have, you can also go in and, there's community, so we can talk to each other and see how we're doing, each are doing. You can see your progress. You can see it tracks, activity, how many days did I do it. As you kind of build through it, you can get badges. It'll score you that way, and you can progress through different levels. You can see your stats, your consistency stats, lessons, how active are you in the community, your all-time stats. It's going to mark your confidence level. So the more you practice, the higher your confidence level, your marking is going to be, because we know that confidence can build as we build skill. Okay. And this is going to be compared to other people who are doing it as well. How does your confidence build through this experience? Okay. And then, it's just going to track how often you're doing the lessons, how much you're achieving. Just a lot of great experience here. Now I'm showing you what it's like on the desktop, but there's an app for it. And the app is really great. Now, another thing I'm going to show you is this library. So we have the career challenge that we're doing together as a pronunciation pro group, but for the 4 weeks that you have access to this program, we're going to give you access to the full library. There's thousands of lessons that you can go through. So lesson type, you can do AI talk, which I think is really quite amazing. Let's say we're intermediate. You can do a mock job interview. So, hello, I'm Gabriella. Thanks for coming to the job interview. It's going to say, ask you job interview questions. You're going to tap and record. And this is spontaneous speech. So it's going to record what I say. Can you tell me about a challenging project you worked on and how you overcame obstacles? Yes, I have worked as a project manager for a really long time. And it's been really challenging. And I had coworkers that I worked with that I had to communicate with frequently. And the obstacles were that we didn't always see eye to eye, and we couldn't interact that well. So it was really challenging. I mean, I don't know what we can get a better response than that, but so it's analyzing my grammar. It's analyzing my pronunciation. So it's showing me what I said. I can play it back and listen to it. And then it's going to do a follow-up question. I can tap on this Fluent tab, and it's going to share with me how to improve, ways to improve. Improve communication and collaboration with coworkers, work on building strong relationships with team members. Here's an example of things that I could have said, through that, to add on to it. And then it gives an example. So this is a very, very powerful tool that I'm so excited for you to have a chance to explore, and for us to explore together and see how it helps you grow in your confidence and in your communication skills over the next 4 weeks. So I encourage you to jump in and join us for this 4-week challenge. We're starting next week, and it's going to be an exciting opportunity. So come join us.